In this video, we will explore the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra's graphic music composition program called Compose It. With Compose It, anyone can create music. On the main screen, you can choose between music where the pulses are grouped in threes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or fours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can choose the collection of pitches. C major diatonic will be a more familiar collection of pitches to your ear, but you can also choose a minor collection of pitches which creates a more somber tone to your music. Or a 5-note pentatonic scale. It is a very flexible and intuitive collection of pitches. For today, let's choose the C major diatonic scale. Once on this page, you will notice the graph and a palette of rhythmic notes along the left side of the screen. Here you can select the duration of each note for your music. It starts at the top with notes that sustain the longest, and down at the bottom will be the notes that have the shortest duration. Don't worry if you aren't familiar with the names of these rhythmic notes, because when you select a rhythmic note and click somewhere on the graph, the duration is shown in the length of the rectangular shape. We can see that this rhythmic note will sustain for 4 boxes or 4 beats. This rhythmic note is sustained for 1 beat, and this shape is sustained for half a beat. It is recommended that you hold down the mouse as you move and position your note on the graph. Notice how a green or red light will outline the rhythmic note as you place it on the graph. The green outline shows that the rhythmic note can be placed in that spot. A note can be dragged off the graph if you no longer want it. Also, you can drag a note to a different pitch or beat if you like. The clear button at the bottom will automatically clear all shapes off the graph. The play button will allow you to listen to your melody. The restart button will interrupt your playback and allow you to restart the playback of your music. Compose It will allow you to layer different notes at the same time in the music, so you could create harmony from chords, or you can have 2 or more melodic lines that have a conversation in your music. The tempo menu allows you to choose how fast or slow you would like your music to play. Adagio is the slowest speed or tempo, and Allegro is the fastest. The multi-select feature will allow you to drag a box around a group of notes and then drag them to another pitch or beat in your music. The capture motif is a fantastic feature to allow you to take on the expert role of composer. A motif is a short musical idea, maybe only 3 to 5 notes, that creates a recognizable musical idea that reappears throughout the music. So let's make a motif. I can drag a box around the notes of my motif and then give it a name to save it. Now I can click on the motif and then hold down my mouse to place it where I want it to be pasted on the graph. I can place it 1 pitch down to create a nice sequence where the musical idea gets lower and lower, or move it gradually higher in pitch. A motif could be rhythmic in nature, where the rhythm repeats, but you keep changing the pitches where it plays. After you create your music, you could add a background image to appear behind your graph. It's important to save your music as you go, to allow you to return to your composition at different times. Hit the Save button to save it to your computer. When finished, you can export it. You can export your music as an image of your graph and also export it as an audio file to listen or share your music with others.